Hello, my name is Rafael Pancho and I'm the leader of the Proto 5. So today we are presenting our final requirement for the SAD, which is the System Analysis and Design. So without further ado, let's get started.
Good day, I'm AJ and Garvin. So the first question, how did Suneo Furniture go about developing its IS? Why do you think the company chose this option? What other options were available? So as described in the scenario, Suneo Furniture designed their system utilizing an in-house built-in technique. A number of explanations have been advanced to explain why the corporation selected this path. In contrast to purchasing a pre-configured device, a corporation may have special processing needs that necessitate the installation of a system in-house. So this would have been the finest decision or alternative given the company's quick development or expansion of the firm. As the in-house process is associated with rapid application growth, it was most likely required to satisfy time restrictions. Other factors might be the company's cost-effectiveness or budget limits, as it was a startup that had only recently begun to expand or flourish. Furthermore, because the system was developed in-house and can be operated within the organizations, there are no additional expenses connected with user training. Suneo Furniture had several options, including purchasing an off-the-shelf solution. The organization might either hire or outsource the system development to an information technology services provider. It was possible to get open source software. Instead, the firm may have chosen to outsource system development and operation.
Good day, I am Precious Panlangit and I will be discussing the question for letter B, which is what features does an enterprise system such as SAP provide? Enterprise systems are general term for computerized programs used by the entire organization to exchange information and resources and reduce the amount of manual labor performed by staff members. Enterprise-wide systems are substantial, integrated systems made up of several separate system components. Systems are put together by developers by choosing and implementing particular modules. Enterprise-wide systems typically provide or incorporate software to assist many diverse jobs in a business, as opposed to serving only one or two positions. For instance, an enterprise-wide system may manage all salary, insurance, management of human resources, and pensions tasks under a single organized network. And then, what is the primary advantage of an enterprise-wide system? The capacity to integrate information across the company is its primary advantage. When dealing with process-oriented, which involve input from various individuals and evaluation by those people, an enterprise-wide system solution is advantageous. In these circumstances, the business will profit from central data storage and the capability for different people to log in to the system from various locations and change the shared information.
Hi, my name is Joanna Mayes Copete, and my answer to the letter C is here's are the sample of job advertisement for two system analysis position at Soneo Furniture. Soneo Furniture is seeking for experienced and talented system analysis to join our growing team. So here's the responsibilities. Work with business and IT teams to understand and document business requirements and process. Second is design, develop, and implement systems and solutions to support business operations. Third one is analyze and optimize existing systems and process to improve efficiency and effectiveness. The fourth one is develop and maintain system documentations and also to support materials. And lastly, provide the technical support and troubleshooting for system and users. And for the requirements, it should be bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. And the second one is 2 years experience in system analysis and design. The third is the experience with enterprise software platforms such as SAP. Strong problem solving and communication skills, and also, lastly, the ability to work independently as a part of a team. To be successful in this position, it should be have a strong background in system analysis and design, and also experience with enterprise software platforms such as SAP. It should also have excellent problem solving and communication skills to be able to work independently as a part of a team. That's all. Hi, my name is Joanna May again, and here's our answer in letter D. So, in general, however, information systems can be categorized into several different types based on their function and capabilities. So, some common types of information system include, so the first one is transaction processing system. Transaction processing systems are used to support day-to-day operations of organization, such as processing sales orders, customer payments, and inventory updates. This system typically include a database for storing information about transaction and other business data. So, an example of transaction processing system at Seneo Furniture can be point of sale system that is used to process sales orders and customer payments.
So the second one is the management information systems. So this is an information systems that provide managers and decision makers with the information they need to make informed decisions. These systems typically include a range of tools and applications for gathering, storing, and analyzing data about the organization's operations, such as sales data, inventory labels, and customer satisfaction. So it is often used to generate reports and other types of information outputs that can be used by managers and other stakeholders to track performance, identify trends, and make decisions.
Another type of information systems that are currently utilized at Soneo Furniture is the executive information systems. These systems typically include a range of tools and applications for gathering, storing, and analyzing data across the organization, and for presenting this data in a way that is easy to understand and act on. Executive information systems are often used to support strategic planning and decision-making to help executives monitor key performance indicators and trends that can impact the organization's success. An example of an executive information system at Soneo Furniture would be a dashboard that is used by senior executives to monitor key performance indicators and trends. This dashboard could include information about sales, profits, customer satisfaction, and other important metrics and could be updated in real time to provide executives with a comprehensive and up-to-date view of the organization's performance.
Good day, my name is John Daniel M. Del Monte. We created a UML use case diagram for Sonia Furniture's information system. According to IBM, use case diagrams model the overall behavior of a system from the outside to the inside and aid in visualizing the flow of a transaction between multiple entities. For our use case diagram that depicts the overall transactions between an external entity, which is the customer and the Sonia Furniture Business Manager. For the actor, we have the customer who can search for a specific product by proceeding to check for its availability and viewing the product description. The base case will be the product searching, and the included use cases will be the viewing the availability and the description. After searching for a specific product, the customer can complete the transaction to purchase the product and will make a payment to the business manager. After purchasing the item, the manager will manage or update the product stocks and generate a daily sales report. The customer in the diagram corresponds to the primary actor who initiates system use, whereas the manager in the diagram corresponds to the secondary actor who reacts to the primary actor's interaction with the use cases present in the container. We use association to represent the basic relationship of an entity to the use case in the use case diagram, such as the customer has a relationship to the search product use case.
So hello, my name is Lance Rafael Pancho. So today I'll be explaining our created data flow diagram for the Soneo's Furniture. So let's get started. So since Alex Bayogan increased their sales team, their businesses started to expand, and specifically they thought they could handling sales orders, accounting, and purchasing. Since it discusses the sales and mostly used to manage the furniture they built, the inventory and sales system will be most likely to be practically appropriate for this business. So here's is the context data flow diagram of the Sonea's furniture. So a manager and customer, and now they do a business and generally gather data for the stated system, are truly at the center of an inventory and sales management system primary focus, which is actually extremely important. Beginning with the customers can communicate their data and purchases to the inventory and sales management system in a significant way. To convey the client's orders and receipts, the information that will be typed of precisely sent to the system will specifically serve as their identity. So here is the TFD. So clients can receive and orders. Clients can send client info and purchases to the inventory, sales, and management system. And then moving on to the manager. So manager can manage records, track sales and accounting to the inventory, sales management system, and a result of financial report and sales report.
In our diagram, a customer may or may not have a cart and the cart must have only one customer. The cart has a zero-to-many relationship with the product because a cart may or may not contain a product. Both the product and cart entities have a zero-to-many relationship with the sales entity in order to track sales for a specific product as well as sales for all the products in the cart. From cart to transaction, a cart can only have one transaction and a transaction can have one or more carts. We have a shipping entity that has a relationship to transaction in order to store information to track all the details such as the date that the customer ordered the product, whereas the transaction entity has a 0 or 1 relationship to shipping.